Hi, welcome to BrioHR. My name is Amar. In this video, I will show you how to enter your personal timesheet. First of all, log into your Brio account and on the navigation bar, select My HR and click Timesheets. Okay, before you submit your timesheet, if you have taken any leave on the current month, please make sure that you have applied the leave to avoid any mistakes in the system. So, this is your timesheet dashboard. Right now it is empty because you have not entered any task or project and the number of hours that you work. To get started, click on Go to Timesheet button here. As you can see here, my status is pending for submission, and on the right corner there's a button for you to save as draft, and there's a button for you to submit the timesheet. Please take note that this is a one-time submission for the whole month. You must check your number of hours that you work before submitting the timesheet. Okay, let's start filling hours in the timesheets. Okay, since this week, the 1st June falls on Sunday, so I won't fill anything. Then we may start in the second week. You click on the green button here, add project or task, and then you double click on general. You enter 8 in pre-fill time. Tick the checkbox here, add project to every week of the month, and click save. So let's say if you have took half annual leave or half medical leave on 25th June, you want to edit the numbers of hours that you work, you may enter here and put the exact numbers of hours that you work in. Okay, before I finish, there's a weekly indicator that shows and to track that if you have overtime or complete the day log, or it shows holiday or weekend and incomplete day log. And once again, you have checked the double check your timesheet. You may submit the timesheet and generate the PDF file. Thank you for watching. Bye.